AI trading bots are exploding in 2026, and OpenClaw is being called the next evolution of automated trading. But here's the real question nobody is answering. Are AI trading bots actually profitable? Or are day traders just backtesting themselves into a false sense of security? Today, I'm breaking down OpenClaw as an AI day trading bot, how it works, whether it can generate AI trading signals, and most importantly, is OpenClaw actually safe to use with your exchange and API key? Because algorithmic trading sounds powerful until it isn't. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it, guys, today. So today we are covering OpenClaw AI trading bot, right? If you haven't yet seen the videos on this, there's been some, let's say, crazy videos on it, right? And I've seen this before with trading bots, so I want to cover this trading bot today. I think OpenClaw, yes, in the long run, can be potentially beneficial. However, in the current state, I want to go over the benefits and how you could possibly use it, what you need to look out for depending on where you're at in your trading journey, and how you can correctly use it in order to improve your. So really the quick questions we need to answer is basically, what is OpenClaw and how can you use it in day trading? And can OpenClaw actually make you money day trading? So if you are just starting out on your trading journey, I do believe it can be helpful for one specific reason, which is back testing trading data right now. So if you've ever been through a back test session, you know how long it can possibly take. I am still for back testing sessions as a human. Could you get data quicker with OpenClaw as opposed to, other methods? Certainly, you could do that. However, the human aspect, when you are doing a backtesting trading session, you are going to start to recognize and see things for yourself on the chart. Whereas if you just throw it into an AI trading bot in 2026, right, you're not going to know exactly what to adjust on the trading bot if the market changes or flips, you need to fix things here or there. So the first thing I want to cover with you is exactly how complicated is OpenClaw to really set up, okay? And I watched a whole webinar on this. It does require some coding. There are a lot of security vulnerability with this, guys, okay? So please be careful. Let's not give it full access to our wallets. Let's be careful what exchanges we're using this with, what information we're giving it. This is, for instance, this is one of the webinars I watched actually last night on it with AI Money Group here. And they actually created a whole different security code to program into the terminal and everything else. So if you guys aren't into coding and don't want to get involved with this mess with the terminal on Macs or Windows or whatever it may be, I would say save yourself some time and just focus on trading, technical analysis, trading psychology, whatever it may be right now, because this is a whole nother aspect with trading, right? I'm not saying it does or doesn't work, right? Some people are really big on the bots and they've probably been doing it 5 or 10 years now. But when you're trying to learn trading and AI and, possibly vibe coding at the same time, you're going to hit some brick walls, okay? So focus on one aspect of trading first, depending on your own trading journey. The security with this needs to be a bit better before we get into hooking up exchanges with, hooking up our wallets with. If you do want to hook up your wallets or exchanges with that, you need to make sure your shit's locked down, really. Your passwords, everything. And you need to have specific code in order to do that, like they're showing here, okay? I do think OpenClaw could be very beneficial, and I've heard guys talk about it on podcasts with stocks, options, Forex futures, and what they're actually using AI for as traders right now. They're not really using it. Some of the best traders are only using AI to basically point out a symbol to them, like, oh, hey, this symbol has likelihood to, take off. Or there was a social arbitrage guy who actually programmed his bot, right, to research social comments on TikTok. So for instance, social arbitrage, this item's so cool, this item's selling out on TikTok, right? And stock guys who are usually 40, 50, 60 years old don't know what the current in things are, but on TikTok, they're putting that information out there, right? A lot of younger people like, oh, Abercrombie came back into play. So you could actually use OpenClaw to filter through comments or hashtags or things like that, see what's popping off for a possible long-term stock plays or something like that. That would be a good use case for OpenClaw for trading. I would not use it to automatically trade right now if you have no prior experience in AI trading bots in general. I would solely focus on, learning a simple strategy, a strategy that you understand and that can make you money. Because if you don't know trading strategies and you've never traded before and you're just learning how to place orders and learning to chart read and learning TA and all these things, how on earth are you going to learn how to code and launch this OpenClaw bot at the same time? And then if something goes haywire, how are you going to fix this? So by focusing on just one thing, wherever you're at in your trading journey, it will help you move a lot further down the long run in order to get to where okay? So this is just my message about OpenClaw. I've seen a ton of videos on it on Polymarket, on trading futures with it, on automating trading with it in 2026 with it, which is all great and grand. But this one was funny. Who is this? Charbel? This one I did watch. I think he made $36 profit total. And with OpenClaw, by the way, you do have to pay fees and API. So there are cheaper ways to do this now, right? A lot of people skyrocketed. Basically, Apple increased the Mac Mini price because there's a bunch of YouTubers going out there saying you need to buy a Mac Mini for OpenClaw and then you can automate your trading or automate this or automate that, whatever it may be. So Apple increased their Mac Mini prices. You actually don't really need a Mac Mini in order to use OpenClaw. There's cheaper ways to do it with VPS. There's also cheaper ways to buy AI tokens through different Chinese platforms. I'm not going to get into today, but this is something I do plan on researching myself. I've been in trading, 5-7 years now. So I have my trading strategies pretty down. So I think it would be interesting to backtest more strategies quicker with this and see kind of the data points along with that for us. However, I do not plan on hooking up OpenClaw anytime soon to automate my trading just because of security vulnerabilities I don't think a lot of people are mentioning. Also, they really need to dial in, right? We need to dial in fees with trading and all that and not be giving out passwords, secure wallets. We need to see what exchanges, how are exchanges going to handle this in the future? Are they just going to totally ban trading bots? This guy, I can't remember if it was this guy or somebody else, but his total profit was like $36 on Polymarket, which he said he planned on scaling, but by the time he scales it, how much is it going to change? You got to make adjustments to these AI trading bots and whatnot. Also with these YouTube videos, be very careful, right? A lot of them are clickbaity. It is YouTube. We are all looking at analytics and competing in a game here, just like you are with trading, okay? It's a very analytical game as well. This one might actually be good. How I built a profitable trading strategy using OpenClaw. So this I could see as a good use case for OpenClaw, okay? I don't just want to throw money into OpenClaw or Polymarket and hope it magically automates my trading. There's a couple people that talked about copy trading and copy trading these $1 million, $5 million wallets they were making on Polymarket. And guess what? It didn't work for them. And you know why? Because they were getting in later than the copy traders. Like I said, copy trading doesn't work, guys. Don't do it. I have tried it. I have tried trading bots. I have tried literally everything under the sun for trading. And I wish, yes, it would be awesome if I could just have passive income and automate a bot. But if it worked like that, once again, everyone would be rich and we wouldn't have to worry about things. But copy trading as well, he said he got in, right? Way too late, and he ended up actually losing copy trading with OpenClaw. So these are some of the things I do want to cover with you guys today. Just please be careful using this. It is a lot more technical than you think. They're just like, oh, just do this, buy a Mac Mini, install OpenClaw, you're good to go. That's not the case here. Please, 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 if you are looking to become a profitable day trader, right? Learn trading actually first. How are you going to adjust the settings on a bot if you don't know trading first? What the hell are you going to be looking at? So learn trading first. Once you learn trading, then you can get into the bot category, granted the amount of time you have. I just don't want you guys going about wasting your time and losing your focus every which way and just getting farther behind on your trading plan. That's kind of my thing there. Anyways, like I said, I do plan on researching this more. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord group, free link is down below. I do live trade perpetual futures there in the morning, so please feel free to join us. If you were a meme coin trader and the market's kind of dead, perpetual futures, guess what? You can still make money, which I love making money on perpetual futures in a bear market. You're just shorting your positions more than the long way, right? That's the only difference, and you can still make money. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for joining, and please let me know your thoughts on OpenClaw and if you've tried it out below. Talk to you soon.